Did you know there is a hidden danger sitting in your fridge right now? It's not expired yogurt or that mystery Tupperware. It's buttermilk. Stay tuned to find out why. Buttermilk can spoil faster than you think, especially if it's been opened. That tangy smell, it might not just be normal. It could be harboring harmful bacteria like Listeria or E. coli if stored too long. Here is how to stay safe. Keep your fridge safe and your buttermilk fresh. Drop a comment if you learn something new. Follow us for more hacks and updates.